Chris McMurray down here at VanDusen Chevrolet Buick GMC, and I just want to let you know we're here for you. As an essential service, you may need service or parts for your vehicle.
Hi, I'm Norm White. We understand your vehicle may need some service, and we want you to know we're here for you.
We have strict COVID protocols in place to make sure that we keep you and ourselves safe. We offer complimentary, COVID-friendly service shuttle, COVID-friendly waiting area.
Or ask about our valet service.
I'm Phil. You may need some parts, and we're here for you.
So easy. Just use a phone number and use our curbside pickup.
Hi, I'm Gus. You need the collision center? We're here for you.
You may need a new car. We're here for you.
Hi, I'm Paul. You may be in need of a pre-owned vehicle. We're here for you.
And remember,
We're here for you.
All departments are now open. No need for appointment. We'll see you soon. And remember, we're here for you.